Hola mis amigos, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. This look is what you see is what you get. I did the green blue cut crease and I acted a mess. If you want to see me do this, then you came to the right place. Okay, that's all the intro I have for you today. Okay, let's get into it. I got my, first of all, I'm playing music, so there's gonna be music in the background. Sorry, okay? Sorry, there's gonna be music in the background. I belong to nobody, hope it don't bother you. You got my own business. I got new hair. New hair, new me. I want to put on green eyeshadow. So, just gonna put on some green eyeshadow. That's it. I'm gonna do green all up in my crease, and then I want to have like a tan lid. I think that's what I'm going for. Now, cut creases are hard for me because I have what? Say it with me now. Hooded eyes. So this is gonna be a struggle no matter how you slice it. Have y'all heard Drake and Lil Baby's new song? Oh my god. Total luck up cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Man, you can't even book me. I'm taking the LA Girl Pro powder and I'm gonna set the prime. Now, while this dries, I'm going to just not breathe. Woo! Why can't I ever get anything even? Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Oh, I'm so irritated, y'all. I like the shape of this one more. Now I'm going to have to make this one match that one. Now I'm going to very angrily take this nude shade here and angrily put it on the lid I carved out. Really, really angrily, though. Walk in the club and I'm flex like ooh. Mix marshmallow all over my shoe. Mix marshmallow all over my shoe. One eye is much rounder than the other, so I'm gonna have to make this a half cut crease so I don't look freaking stupid. But I'm gonna add another color. I want to put some blue in. Taking her right here, this foxy lady. I feel fantastic. Okay, very pleasantly surprised that my mistake turned into something really beautiful. Ah, I'm dropping brushes. Oh, es tan bonita así. I'm taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation because homegirl be snatching my skin. They say, little number, where you getting it? I'm just passing the breeze. Of course, the LA Girl Pro Conceal. You already know.
But I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back, and this time I won't leave. I've been running, gotta check me your back. I got hundreds on my neck and I got shoes on my ass. Nigga said I'm going quick, well I just take it and laugh. I be skiing in that foreign with 5 on my ass. But I'm that nigga, I won't never change. Rubbing off the pain, smoking dang. Got a Uzi in my lap, I let it bang. Free Latte, no he keep a K, but he not taking care of the chop and let it blow and watch this bitch eat this beast. I'm that nigga.
I'm gonna keep the face real simple because these eyes stress me out. I'm not even gonna be like, there's so much going on in the eyes, I want to keep the face. No, I'm stressed out and I'm ready to finish. Suka! I'm about to get my glow kit popping, and then we're gonna do lashes.
You niggas say I silent, but I probably in there snitching. Most of the niggas.
Whoa, look at this eyeshadow. What's it doing? It's doing something really weird and it's like hurting my stomach. Do you see that? Oh my god, I didn't hurry up and get out of this makeup because look at what it's doing. You see that? That looks so freaking weird. Oh my god, that hurts. Oh, it's so ugly to look at. Why is it doing that? I think that's the blue mixing with the tan color. But it's gonna make me like die. Ugh, let's see if I can fix that. Oh, that looks awful. It's looking really weird. Look.
I'm really smart, but I can fight, but I'ma steal up that pole. For you niggas think I'm pussy, you gon' have to show me, ho. Police always at my fucking crib. I don't tell them shit, I'm really rapping about this fucking life that I'm fucking living, but I be cool and trying to focus on them fucking evidence. But
thank you guys so much for watching me be crazy and do my makeup. I hope you have fun because I had a decent amount of fun, if I do say so myself. If you did like this video, leave me a like, a comment, subscribe. You know, you don't have to, but you want to, so just go ahead. Just go ahead and do it. And don't forget to head on over to my Instagram. Hit me up. Hit me in. I'll see you guys in the next video.
I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing.